Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my HOBONICHI weeks that I use for work. And this week I'll be using some stickers from Let's Plan It. I will be using some of her stickers from her Lauren supplemental kit, kind of just reminding me of the last few days of my vacation. Let's get started. All right, so let's go ahead and do some decorating. This is going to be very, I guess, simple. I don't want to go overboard on this because this will just be me basically coming back from vacation. And I'm filming this ahead of time because I won't have time to basically film this while I am away. So this is me just trying to get as much as I can done before I go. So placing this floral here that's from the Happy Plan. I'm trying to use up all of the stickers that I have. Then let's see. I think this flower, although I mean if I put it upside down it's gonna look weird, so maybe I don't use it. I can use the water. Like the water itself doesn't necessarily have to go the right way up. So I don't know, let's try this and see if that works, and then use this one with this floral. I like adding these florals because I think they're really, really pretty. Do I want to go this way? Yeah, let's do it that way. Kind of just cover where that cross is, although now it looks like it's too big for it. So let's use these small bunches instead. Oh, I like that better. Yep, I like that much better than having a big floral there. Instead though, I feel like I need to put something down at the bottom, but I don't want to put another big floral. So this one's going to get put away. I just don't remember where it went. Oh, there. And then I'm going to use all of the smaller little ones down at the bottom here. Gosh, having this kit basically the week that I get back from vacation, I'm just gonna, oh, what am I doing? I'm probably going to have some major vacation feels by doing this. All right, so then the pen I'm going to be using is the Sailor Pro Gear Slim, and it currently has Sailor Yurameku Kitsune Biori in here. And Monday is Labor Day, which I'm really, really happy about. So I'm going to put these to the side, and then we'll go ahead and zoom in and add in all of my meetings. So there is my overall finished spread. Really simple, but really still like a little bit summery, but more neutral. I really like the blues and the browns and the beiges together with those florals. I was going to say flowers and florals at the same time. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this very, very quick plan with me. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.